Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about VSCODE Intellisense. Intellisense is a general term for various code editing features, including code completion, parameter info, quick info, and memory lists. VSCODE Intellisense is provided for JavaScript, TypeScript, HTML, and a couple more out of the box. VSCODE Intellisense features are powered by a language service that can be installed by an extension. Let me show you one by clicking on this extension icon and search for your desired language extension. Let's say Python. It's here, click on it, close it up. You can install this extension by clicking on this button, and it comes with linting, debugging, Intellisense, and more. Let me close it. The Intellisense suggestions pop up as you type. Let's say C. Here we have a couple of symbols on this pop-up menu. This symbol is for variables, this one is for methods and functions, and this one for keywords. Additionally, the editor supports tag completion, which inserts the best matching completion. Now, if you type here document.g, the suggestions menu pop up as provided by the language service. And if you click on this read more button, you can see quick info for each method. It includes parameter info right here and late description. It says returns a reference to the first object with a specified value of the ID attribute, and parameter info, which is right here, says a string that specifies the ID value. Let me close it. Moreover, you can choose your desired member and just hit enter, and it inserts the selected member. Alright guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.